Hello, how are you doing today, guys? This is Software FX Academy with Mr. Walls. So quickly, I'll be running you through on the analysis on VIX 75, on my buy house on VIX 75, and why I intend, you know, going long on VIX 75. Okay, looking at VIX 75 from from the higher time frame, I like to do top to down analysis. This is daily time frame. You can see that price is creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Don't mind my tool is actually acting up, but we can all see that price is creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, meaning the higher time frame bias of VIX 75 is actually bullish. So, but irrespective of what the higher time frame is saying, you can actually catch trades to either side, as the case may be. But it's good to actually know the order flow of the higher time frame, which we have clearly seen that VIX 75 has been on an upward trend, talking about the higher time frame. But now let me quickly show you something here. Let me zoom a little bit in order for you to see it clearly, in order for you to see it clearly. So VIX 75 has actually been creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows. And look at what happened there on VIX 75. Look at this push to the downside. That's an institutional move to the downside that cleared liquidity. It cleared all this equal low liquidity before the push to the upside that broke this structure. Okay, let me put this onto a side. Okay, that actually broke this structure. See, we have a break of structure. We have several break of structure to this side. Have a break of structure. This is the last down push, on the daily time frame that actually caused that, that fueled all this break of structure to the upside. So price created this high, then we add a retracement from there. And what did you see price do? Price actually traded back into this institutional move. Price traded back into this institutional move, and you can see the if you look at it, the 50% of that move, that's what price traded back into. 50% of that move. Oh, that was brilliant. 50% of that move. This is an institutional move to the downside. Price traded back into the 50% of that move. And what are we seeing here? Price has started pushing back up. Price has started pushing back up. Now, let me now break it down to, a lower time frame. Like you all know, we don't take trades on the higher time frame. Let me show you what I'm seeing here on the 4 hours time frame. What I'm seeing here on the 4 hours time frame, then okay, you can see the 4 hours time frame has started creating higher highs and higher low, higher highs, higher low, which is a very good characteristics of what's it called, of a bullish market. So we actually missed this buy. I didn't see look I told you in my, if you followed me for a very good time, you know that you would have heard me say this, that when price is trending in a particular direction, what will price be doing? Price will be creating a flag formation. This is a pole. This is an impulsive move. You can see this break of structure, impulsive move, then a resting face in form of a flag. Then you see another impulsive move to the upside. So I don't really trade trend lines again, but I use it to guide my thoughts at times, and that is what I'm doing. As you all know, I'm a price action trader with a smart money blend. So you see this is a very good push, a flag formation. You see if the breakout, then another, okay, if you look at 30 minutes, 30 minutes is actually giving us another, you see the flag. I just want to show you the flag on 30 minutes so that you'll be able to see it clearly. It's not actually clear on 4 hours, but on 30 minutes is a very clear, flag formation that I am seeing here. Then that's a continuation move. That's a continuation move. You can see it's a very good one here. That's a continuation move. Like I always tell you, flag formation is a continuation move, and we've already seen a breakout of it. But before I get into my entry, I like to see a smart, and I like to take a smart entry. I like to see a smart money play before I take my entries, and this is where I'll be taking you to. This is where I'll be taking you to my entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. Let me show you the smart money play on 15 minutes and where I'm looking forward to taking this buy. Where I'm looking forward to taking this buy. Okay, let me go to 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes is more explicit in this regard. You know, I told you I take my entries on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 minute, as the case may be, depending on what I'm seeing. And look at it. Look at where this is the last down move that sponsored all these moves we are seeing to the upside. And there's a clear break of structure here. There's a clear break of structure. We have several break of structures on VIX 75 right here on the 5 minutes time frame. Several break of structures. We have break of structures, break of structures. But you know, the last down move that facilitated this upward movement and break of structures has not actually been mitigated. And that's where I'm looking forward to taking my trade, guys. Look at where I'm looking forward to taking my trade. Very simple and straightforward. This institutional candle that I have right here, that is where I'm looking forward to taking my trade. That is where I'm actually looking forward to taking my trade. Okay, look at it. I'm looking forward to taking my trade. I'm looking for. I want to see price retrace, and which is happening already. And look at it. This is a perfect one for me, guys. Look at it. Look at the impression the smart people, the smart money people are actually the smart money people are actually generating here. And what is the impression? That this is a very strong area for the retail, for the people that trade the retail concept to actually come into the market and buy. And if you've been buying here, you would have been getting some, piece of the pie. You buy air, you make money, you buy air, you make money, you buy air, you make money. But what are they actually doing? They are creating an impression. They are creating an impression in the market, and which is also, if you understand smart money, you know that this is a buildup of liquidity. This is a buildup of liquidity, and we have our institutional candle right here. So what I want to see is I want to see price, trade back into this place to mitigate this point. Then that's where I want to take my buy to the upside and hold this trade probably throughout this coming week. And this is where I want to take my buy. This is where I want to take my buy, guys. So in case you are coming across this Soft Talk FX Academy for the very first time, do well to check the description box. You'll see the link to our Telegram channel. All these analysis, I drop it on our Telegram free Telegram channel. You can be a part of it when I make trade calls. You can be a part of our free trades and benefit from it and make money for yourself. So this way I'm looking forward to taking VIX and 125, guys, at the mitigation point, and with a very, very tight SL, take this trade. Then, I want to see price come and clear this liquidity, because as price is coming down, look at the impression that has been generated. The people that trade the retail concept are looking forward to, to taking their buys from here, whereas it is just an opinion that has been generated in the market. Price will actually penetrate it, mitigate this point, then reverse to the upside. So that's my outlook on VIX 75. See you some other time. And don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to click the follow button. Turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to, see a video like this when next I drop. Subsequently, when I drop another video, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, bye for now, guys.